Hi there, Daniel Stokes here from S.A.S Heating, doing a tool talk review on the Monument Tools hole saw quick release set. Really nice set, really good cutters, really like using these, especially because they come apart so easily. Got a button there, just push that in, goes on it, push in, click and it's in. Nice bit of kit. Put it in. Go up. As you can see, slug in there, just pull down and that comes all the mess. Very nice and clean, ready to carry on cutting. Got a 20mm and a 25mm bit, really good piece of kit. Definitely recommend getting them for all them nice little tricky jobs.